Hello everyone. Hopefully by the time you're watching this video you will have gotten introduced to me elsewhere first, but in case you haven't, my name is Lucas Everham and I will be here for you with a semester of MGF 1107, Finite Mathematics, which is probably a bunch of words and symbols that you don't have a whole lot of context for besides how they fit in your schedule, but that's okay. That's what we are here to learn about today and many other days over the next few months. So, every week I'm going to try and make you some videos that'll help you pick up the material as we're going, and I'm expecting you to watch at the very least by the middle of the week, hopefully before the week starts, but sometimes I won't be able to get them out quite as quickly as I want to. Anyway, what we're going to do in these first videos for every week is just take a quick look at some of the topics we're going to get, as well as some of the main deadlines we'll have to see. I'll say that there's a good chance we're going to reuse these videos later, and in that case the deadlines might not match up perfectly, but it should still fit pretty close to what I aimed for. Anyway, this week, our very first week of material, we are going to be starting off a little bit slow, only covering 2 sections this week. Usually I like to get 3, but it's good to start slow. We are going to be looking in chapter 4, a bit oddly, but that's how we run things, where we're going to be working with number representation and calculation. In particular, we're going to start in 4.1 looking at our Hindu-Arabic system and other early positional systems. That is, we're going to be looking at the number system, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, I don't want to keep counting forever, in terms of where it comes from, the fundamental pieces of it, and we're going to compare it as well to some other systems. In particular, in this section, we'll be comparing it with the Mayan and Babylonian systems. Next, in 4.2, we're going to be looking at the major features of any number system, that is, its base, one of the major features. That is, I misspoke a little bit, where we're going to get a bit more about the nuts and bolts, mathematically as it were, of what a number base is, as well as how you can run conversions to our more comfortable base, which is base 10, and then how you can go from base 10 to other digit representations. And then, by the end of this week, we have some deadlines coming up. The first thing we're going to look at is on Friday. We have our first worksheet for the week. These are going to be some practice problems that you're going to get that I will assign for you guys through our Canvas page, and you'll be able to get there and you'll turn back in to our Canvas page. They'll look a lot like homework problems, maybe with some adjustments if I find some really interesting stuff out there, but point is to help you get ready for that type of assignment, which is the next thing we're looking at. We've got our MyLab assignments for sections 4.1 and 4.2 that are due next week. I believe I have those on Wednesdays. I might have them on Tuesdays. Either way, you should be getting them done sooner than that, but if they're late, not the biggest deal in the universe. Either way, those are due next week. And then at the beginning of next week, as we're moving further onward, we have our first pre-assessment quiz due through Canvas on Monday night, where that's going to be looking at the next things after 4.1 and 4.2, which hopefully you can guess will include 4.3 in there somewhere, among other things that you can check the calendar for to get the details on. But for now, really what I'd like to do is talk about the things that we are here today to talk about, this week anyway, which is starting in section 4.1. I'll see you in there.